Want better credit? Renting can help. This video covers CreditLadder, a tool that reports your rent payments to credit bureaus, boosting your score. Find links in the description. CreditLadder is perfect for renters with limited credit history who pay on time. It helps build credit without needing credit cards or loans. It's simple: sign up, connect your bank account, and CreditLadder reports your rent to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. No extra effort needed. CreditLadder automatically tracks payments once connected. Its user-friendly interface and seamless bank integration make reporting effortless. Track your score improvements with real-time updates and easy-to-read progress reports. See how rent payments directly impact your credit. CreditLadder is ideal for any renter wanting to leverage rent for better credit, whether you're new to renting or a seasoned pro. It's especially useful if you lack other credit sources. CreditLadder provides a simple, efficient, and effective credit-building solution. Seamless integration, real-time updates, and reporting to all three bureaus make it a powerful tool. Start building credit today. Check out the links below.